Message.
I know that's right. You're never ever wrong.
How y'all doing? Jaylaolivia was giving me some motherfucking cigarettes. So I'm up rolling this paper right now. And ain't got no weed in it yet, but you feel me, it's gonna get the job done. Jayla been telling me y'all been showing her a whole lot of love, man. Y'all been asking for me. Y'all continue to show my niece some love so she can buy me some of that crack rock. She gonna buy me some crack rock. Continue spelling them yellow hearts down below. You feel me? No, my niece moved out to Vegas now. I got that crack rock and I got my cigarettes. You feel me? But we off the hen dog. Hen dog. You feel me? We off that Hennessy. And we finna take our ass on this monkey app and see how these motherfuckers been doing. You feel me? I just got that Caucasian heat press. Y'all see me? I know we drink them followers, you feel me? But we out in Vegas, we gotta get bougie with my niece 70,000 followers. She might just take me out on the strip.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
When I die, bury me inside the crack house. Hey. How y'all doing? You hard of hearing, sir? With that ashy ass tattoo on your neck, you don't hear me, sir? Looking like Corbin Blue, you don't hear me, sir? Oh, alright. How you doing?
What's up? Where you from?
Who cut your hair like that, son? You need your money back. They faded you too high, my brother. Give me that number. Auntie will call it for you. Got that boy out here looking like a dill pickle. How you doing, sir? That look good.
What he got on the wig?
What a wig? This is my trench, isn't it?
You're such a liar.
No, you don't call your OGs no liar now. Why them boogers in your eyes? Go wash your damn face.
You put that outfit on just to talk people on here?
Let me tell you something. I got that drip. You ain't fucking with me, Tell your granddad to get at me,
Tell him he could call on time.
Hold on, I ain't see your outfit.
Don't ever get on here disrespecting me, sir.
First of all, I'm not disrespecting you.
Yes, you are, sir. This is my real hair. You don't tell me I got on no motherfucking wig, bitch.
See, you disrespecting me now.
I don't give a fuck. You disrespect me first, sir.
Call you out your name.
Bitch. Looking like Chris Tucker.
Get closer, oh, get closer. I'm burning now. Just love me.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing good.
You in prison, sir? I need me a pen pal.
I'm in my crib, shorty.
Why I say you was in Cortez? Ain't that a prison? I need me a pen pal, sir, because they keep catching me with that crack rock. I bail you out, you bail me out. That's how it's gonna go. You can get this show on the road. You feel me? Couple girls.
I'll be your body, Bonnie and Clyde.
You got that crack rock? Sir, turn that damn music down and put your titties away.
What you say?
Put that damn music down and put them titties away. Do you got some crack rock? Huh?
Did you need some crack rock?
Well, duh.
Where you stay at?
Let me see that crack rock. Make sure you got that 5-star.
Where you stay at?
Alabama.
I got peoples in Alabama.
Nah, you gonna drive that shit right to me.
Shut the fuck up.
Who the hell you talking to, sir?
You?
You ain't talking to me.
Where you stay in Alabama?
Don't worry about it. You got that crack rock or not, you beating around the damn bush.
Bitch, take that
I'm gonna beat your face in and keep playing with me. Where that crack at?
wig off and
I ain't got this my real hair. You better ask about me. I ain't your bald headed mama. Oh my god, I talked to you before, y'all. How you doing?
I'm Gucci. How you doing?
Why look like you got your shirt tucked in your asshole? I didn't mean to say that. Oh shit, it really did though. How you doing?
The hell you got going on?
I look the fuck good, Out in Vegas with it, You been to Vegas? We off that hen dog. How you doing? I hope that ain't bleach on your face, sir. You ain't Michael Jackson.
Bleach. It's not bleach.
What is it?
Hey,
What?
Why your hair like that?
I just got it done. What you mean? It look good.
Yeah, that shit super exotic. I never seen nobody here like that.
Period. Exotic bitch. They call me Tootsie. Ask about me. My niece still ain't teaching me how to twerk. I got it a little bit though.
You a top notch, let me holler.
Oh, you trying to suck something up?
Suck, you got some money?
Nigga, I smoke crack, gas $10, nigga, meet me in the bag.
I mean, I'm cute. I ain't gotta get no money.
Cute where?
Dumbass motherfucker.
Not in these eyes.
How old are you?
49. About to be 50.
You 40?
49.
9? For real?
Yeah.
Looking 30 something.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Why you talking like that?
This my voice. Why you talk like that?
You cannot be 40. Are you 40? For real, bro?
I'm 49.
I mean, yeah, 49. You cannot be 49. Like, you really
I'm 49. You finna buy me a new wig or what? I look crazy as fuck. If I answered the phone with my face like this, then on the other end, I would have been scared as fuck. I would have turned the whole fucking app off. How you doing? You ain't never seen nobody look this good, huh? How you doing?
Holy shit.
I look the fuck good, huh? I always get them a reaction. I walk in the room. How you doing, huh? I hope you ain't being nasty, sir. I don't want to see that shit. Yes, I am that bitch.
They ain't reputables like me, man.
Right.
I'm it.
Thank
you. Feel me? Hello. No fingerprints, no evidence.
How you doing, huh? I don't give a fuck. I wouldn't talk to your no lip having ass no way. How you doing, huh? Hey, boy, don't play with me, boy. With them nappy ass ponytails, boy. Boy up here look like Snoop Dogg, but listen to the NBA come, boy. How you doing, huh?
You like your hairstyle?
Huh?
Said I like your style.
Thank you. I got that drip, huh?
I got drip for sale.
Y'all ain't got too much damn time to be hanging up in my face now. This motherfucker in prison, huh? Them long ass socks, huh? The hell he got going on? You need to clean that damn room up.
Made it look twice when I rolled through. Bitch, I look good, bitch, I look good.
How you doing?
What happened?
How you doing? Ain't nothing happened.
How you doing? You doing alright?
I'm doing good. Go shake them armpits now. How you doing, white man?
Yeah.
Yeah, how you doing?
Come on, baby.
Excuse me, you speak English, bitch? You ain't got no lips. You a nasty bitch.
What's up?
How you doing?
Alright.
You got some money?
Fool, you better get your crusty behind away from me. Man, I'll suck your dick, man. What you say to me? I'll suck your dick, man. Oh, man. All right, so what you want to do, my man?
How you doing?
Yeah, can you help me?
No, I can't hear you. I can smell you, though. You a stinky ass motherfucker.
I wash out.
You wash up and don't smell like it. You got that crack rock? Oh, he got that crack rock now. You got that crack rock. He ain't gonna give me that crack rock, man. I'm tired of something about my crack rock, man. What the fuck I would do, man? The hell you looking at? Fugly bitch. How you doing?
Shut your bitch ass up.
You got some money?
You ugly.
Yeah, you ain't. That's why you ain't got your face in the camera. Scary, bitch.
You ugly. Sure.
You got some money? Do y'all niggas got some money?
You really ugly. Shut up, bitch.
You need some proactive. You got a whole ass titty on your face, boy. Clear that shit up. Get some witch hazel, bitch.
You fucking goose. That's why you look like a goose.
And what the hell your mammy look like, punk bitch? Put y'all scary ass face in the camera, weak ass Scooby-Doo looking bitches. Broke ass white boys.
Okay. Yo, I'll slap the shit out of you,
Y'all over there slapping each other, nut sacks against each other, nut sacks and shit. You finna spend all that shit on some meth.
You're a rooster.
Your mammy. Call me a rooster. You got some money, sir?
Huh?
You got some money? I'll show you my kneecap for $1.
You said what?
I'll show you my kneecap for $1. You got some money?
No.
Well, about it, I don't talk to broke niggas. We don't converse with broke niggas. And you ain't got 4 figures. You gotta hit the toe, nigga.
The door.